Welcome back. Chemist and Druggist Association of Goa has demanded revocation of suspension order of 5 pharmacies that were closed down last week. Association claims that these pharmacies were not suspended due to ketamine but for some other discrepancies. Last week, Health Minister Vishwajit Rane had stated that these 5 pharmacies were suspended due to ketamine, which is used by anesthetists in Goa.
Chemists and druggists from across Goa have supported all 5 pharmacies that were suspended last week by Food and Drugs Administration. Association says that these pharmacies were suspended for irregularities in stock of 2 other drugs and not due to ketamine. Association now has written to FDA for revocation of licenses of these 5 pharmacies.
That these cases are not linked to ketamine, the way it was shown in the press. That we have written to the FDA.
Association says that ketamine is sold by very few pharmacies in Goa and they are not supporting those individuals who are misusing this drug.
Make the public at large understand that these cases are not linked to ketamine, the way it was shown in the press. That we have written to the FDA. We are going to the FDA.
Last week, Health Minister Vishwajit Rane had told reporters that these 5 pharmacies were suspended due to irregularity in sale of ketamine drug. But the association has a different story to tell. Association claims that they have received a report from FDA on suspension and the report does not mention that these pharmacies were axed for ketamine.
Orders are there, but
orders are there.
Ketamine is not there. What you have projected that these licenses have been suspended because of ketamine, that is not there. On the other counts, that is some irregularity in sales, purchase and sale records. Sildenafil and diazepam tablets.
When Prudent Media contacted Food and Drugs Administration on this issue, one of its top officials refrained from commenting, saying that they have to look into the files for knowing the exact reason of their suspension. Our senior reporter from Panji, Rakesh Kandolkar, with video journalist Ravindra Dalvi for Prudent Media.
Opposition leader Manohar Parrikar has claimed that Transport Minister Sudhin Dhawlikar provided false information during monsoon session of Assembly. Parrikar has now decided to move breach of privilege against Sudhin Dhawlikar for serving false information regarding his department.
कारण सरकाराक बंडल मारपाची सवय I am moving against breach of privilege on Sudhin Dhawlikar for giving me false information in various questions, including calling attention. Calling attention ताणें उत्तरान सांगलें हांवें ताका हरशीं थंयच लक्षांत हाडून दिल्लें पण हांव ओगी रावलो आसूं म्हणून.
Parrikar said that if Sudhin wants CBI inquiry of high security number plates proposal, then he should be ready to face CBI inquiry of PWD during his tenure.
म्हजें इतलेंच म्हणणें आसा की अशाच प्रकारची CBI इन्क्वायरी सुदीन ढवळीकाराच्या काळान PWD खात्यान जाल्या, जी कितें कर्मां जाल्या ताज्या संदर्भानूय करपाची ताची तयारी आसा जर तूं, जाल्यार हांव आयज हांगा मागणी करता की ताणें सगळें हय म्हणचें आनी आपल्या मुख्यमंत्र्याक कळोवचें की आपूण CBI कडेन सगळ्यो केसी दी म्हणून फाटल्यो सगळ्यो PWDच्यो आनी आतांच्यो फेरीबोटीच्यो CBIक सुद्दां दिल्या आतां, क्रायम ब्रांचाक दिल्या.
Parrikar also highlighted the illegalities in construction and repairing of ferry boats. He also proposed to give the same in a much cheaper rate.
He has given same ferry boat for 91.62 lakhs. नवीन फेरीबोटी ताणें पयलीं 56 लाखाक कोट जाल्ली एका वर्सा पयलीं, आतां ताणें 70 लाख 75 काय 76 हजाराक दिल्या ऑर्डर. If he wants, I am ready to give him same ferry boat, same specification. Only condition is that it will be inspected and approved by third party. I will ensure that he gets all the insurance and everything. शेवटी तांकां इन्शुरन्स जाय पडटा न्ही रजिस्ट्रेशन करपाक, तो सगळो मेळपाची वेवस्था करता. म्हणजे अशें थर्ड पार्टी म्हणजे नॉट कॅप्टन ऑफ पोर्ट, 25% लेस दिवपाक तयार आहा पार्टी.
Our principal correspondent Murari Shetty with video journalist Yashwant Parab. Jasmina Mascarenhas alleged that she was physically abused by her husband for past 5 years. Tara Kerkar blamed the police for being dormant on this issue. People of Chipre Poingini are very upset with the police at Kankon. According to the people, Albino Mascarenhas was hurting his wife from past 5 years.
This time, Albino hit his wife and kicked her from his house. He also separated a month-old child from the mother. When the mother informed police about this incident, the police asked Albino for the child, but he refused to give the child to the mother. People say that even after this domestic violence, police were quiet over the matter.
इतले मारला म्हणटकूच सादो ताका भंय जावपाक लागून 151 तरी ताका करचो आसलो तेय करूंक ना तो बिंदास रामदास आपूण जाय तसो करता पुलीस तेच्या बोल्सांत हाडून सांगता तो आनी कितें सांगपाचें तेका आनी आतां तेणी ताका लागून ताका मारलो तेणी फाल्यां तो तेच्या आवय तेच्या भयणीक तेच्या भावाक हेंकाय मारूंक शकता तो कितेंय करूंक शकता कित्याक पुलीस तेजेर एक्शन घेता पुलीस आपड कशी थंय तो सांगता पुलीस आपड कशी ताका धरून हाडले आतां विचार म्हाज्या समोर म्हाका आमच्या समोर सांगला तेणी.
We spoke to the victim, Jasmina Mascarenas.
म्हणटकच हे सगळे भाव ते गोवा भाव आहाय तितले देर येयले मारूंक सगळे गोरबोरूय लोक मारूंक येयलो म्हाका डॅडीक धुकलीन उडयलें फ्रासायरान.
तो सदां मारता काय त्याच दिसा मारलो तुका?
पयले 5 वर्सां जालीं तो म्हाका मारता अशें करून मारीत आहा.
काजार जाल्यार 5 वर्सां जालीं. साम स्टार्टिंगेक सुरवातेच्यान असो पळयता कितें रिलेशन तो भायर आसतना तुगे तुजे फुडें रिलेशन कितकन दवरतालो बरें मोगान उलयतालो
ना सदांच गाडी उठती बसताना गाडयांशिवाय उतरू ना फकत गाडी.
Social worker Tara Kerkar blamed police for domestic violence in the state.
पुलिसान जर काम जायना पुलीस स्टेशन बंद करचें आनी घरा कडेन बसचें कित्याक जाय क्राम कित्याक काम कित्याक लागून जायना तेंचें म्हाका कांय कळना. आज 8, 9, 13 तारखेची गजाल आज 20 दीस जाले 20 दिसांनी इतलो बोवाळ चलता पेपरार येता तरी सुद्धा तांकां लज ना त्या पुलिसांक कांयच तेणें काय करूंक सोदता कितें करूंक सोदता ते दुसरो महानंदा
आनीक मडगांव साकून SP फोन केले उपरांत हे सारखे एक्टिवान येता ना जाल्यार
आनी कितें जाता एसपी केन्ना साहेब तो घरा कडेन ना घरान बसून तेजे च्या बी पिवन येतात आनी तो घरान ना म्हणटा वाड्यावयले लोक सांगता तो घरान आसा बरें पुलिसांक जर तो मेळना वाड्यावयले लोक तेका हाडटा काय पुलिसांक ते जाता
आनी मामुली मुच्या तेका धरून जाय आनी मुखार आनी कोणा दोतले ते साद्या मुच्या 2 हाडाय बेश्ट्या गांठया बिट्या 2 हाडाय एसो मुच्या 2 दाखोवपा जाय तेणी इतू हंगामा जाता
पुलिसांक तो मेळना म्हणटा न्हू आतां एसपीक तेंच्यांनी कितें सांगलें सर ना तो पळोवन जर आसा पुलिसाक जर मेळना वाड्यावयले लोक तेका धरता म्हणून आनी तेका मारता म्हणून.
After many efforts by the people, Albino Mascarenas was arrested. Our reporter in Kankon, Prasad Pagi.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.